like POIs. It's insane. Okay, where are we going from here? Locked. You're locked. Yeah, they did. They've done a lot of work. It's... Where am I supposed to be going here? I am confusion. Okay, we're supposed to be going up, I suppose. Oh, jeez. I don't think they did character customization, but they did. You could change. They added a bunch of different characters,
I've got a bad feeling about this.
and you could use different characters, like 30 different characters. Oh, gear sets as well. They added. Shit, gotta go. Yep, we're going. They added the gear sets, so each gear set has... And they added a bunch of like voiceover. Easy up there. What are you guys? Oh my goodness! Yeah, they. Jesus. Where's my window? Whew. They've done a lot. They've done a lot. So. Oh, we just fell. We're going. And just like that, we went from the roof back down to the ground.